Here we have a 1993 K5 Blazer, OBS, old body style. The wheels, I believe, are from a 2008 Chevy. The driver's side back window is busted out. You can see that's some of the guards on the tail lights. There's a back up for a better view. Two-door Blazer. Silverado. It's a 93, but I believe it has a 99 front end. KT lights. Better look here. Let's get a look at the interior. It's a door. And it has more of a custom wood grain on the dash. It is 4x4. You can see it does have the center console. The headliner looks good. Also has some wood up here. Look at the back seats. Very back. Let's look at the engine. So it has a 350, but it has a modern. You see the valve cover with the bolts on it. Everything seems pretty stock on it still. AC. It's 350, but it's throttle body, TBI. Better look here.